Urhobo ado ekpakome migwe o ma wana begano no ne na megono takmare Ibieta ruho kugbe Ibieta ranko. We have 7 vowel sound and we have some consonant sound. If you combine all of them together, we have 48 alphabets in Urhobo that I can remember for now. Vowel sound, we have 7. They sound as a, e, I, o, u. Examples of vowel sound. A sound as a, Ame Water. E without dot sound as a, Emu Food. E with dot sound as Ẹto Hair. I sound as Igho Money. O without dot sound as O, Oze Basin. O with dot sound as Ọshare Man. U sound as Utehru Iron. Consonant sound. Ibeita. There are 18 single consonant sound. The compound consonant we have 16. Complex compound consonant we have 7. E.g. single consonant. Ba, de, fi, ri. Ba, de, fi, gi, hi, ji, ki, li, mi, ni, pi, ri, si, ti, vi, wi, yi, zi. Examples. B sound as aBavo, saying D, Dafe Rich. F, Ofe, beetle. G, Oga, sickness. H, Eha, play. J, Oja, suffering. K, Oke, gift. L, Elo, shine. M, iMidaka, Cassava. N, Oni, mother. P, iPiẹ, Pear. R, ejiRo, praise. S, Ose, father. T, Ota, talk. V, ọVọke, there is time. W, Owe, you. Y, Yoma, good. Z, Oze Basin. Compound consonants are Ibieta, BR, bra. CH, cha. DJ, ge. GB, gbi. GH, ri. GW, gwi. KW, kwa. HW, kwa. KP, pa. KW, kwa. NY, nyi. PH, pi. ROH, ra. MW, mwa. SH, chi. VW, we. Now, the complex compound consonants are GBR, bra. GHR, gra. GHW, gwa. GHWR, gra. KPR, pra. VWL, ri. VWR, ri. The English language has 26 alphabets, but the addition of E that carries dot and O that carries dot in Urhobo makes them 28. However, accurate Urhobo pronunciation makes them 48. E.g. a, be, bra, cha, di, ji, e, fi, gi, gbi, bra, ri, gra, gwa, gwi, kwa, li, mi, mli, mui, ni, nyi, o, pi, ri, li, ri, si, shi, ti, you sound like u. V, wi, ri, VWR, ri, W, wi, Y, yi, Z, zi. Use of compound consonant. Examples: BR, Blanama, show off. That is shakara. CH, Oke, clay pot. DJ, Ajanakpo, lion. GB, Agbara, share. GH, Eran, broom. GW, Ogwo, old age. HW, Ehwe, laugh or laughter. KP, Ekpa, fool. KW, Kwa, pack. MR, Mere, simi. MW, Amwa, cloth. NY, Nyowe, hear me. PH, Ofe, free. ROH, Urhobo, prayer. SH, Shere, lie down. VW, Ewe, goat. Complex compound consonants. GBR, aBavo, name of person. GHR, gran, melt. GHW, Ewa, GHW, Ewa, farm. KPR, pregede, sudden. VWL, Iwri, white sugar ants. VWR, Ewri, palm oil. GHWR, Urhobo, Urhobo. I want to end the lecture of today here. In our next class, we'll continue from where we stop. Urhobo, olere viesa o, manurhobo mena o, olere viesa, Urhobo kokore ogbare. Urhobo olere viesa, obolu Urhobo jewe na sofa jewa tioye. Edefa meri akpo ta Urhobo meware. Urhobo olere viesa o, arioma. Urhobo ọVọke.